Welcome back everybody to the Braeden YouTube channel. Today we're going to finish assembly on the D16 turbo engine for the Champ car because we have a race next weekend and we are full on panicking. Let's get to it. So if you think what we've done up until now is redneck, this is going to take the cake. So the crew I had with me that was assembling the short block in the last video is not available today. So this video won't be quite as entertaining. It'll be every bit as informative. However, we are on a time crunch now. It is the Friday before the race and we want to have the car loaded next Wednesday. So we got to get busy. So what I'm going to do is just kind of I'll probably take video, but some time lapse, and then just kind of get this thing put together. And if there's something worth noting, I'll probably say it in the voiceover. So that being said, I got to get all of that onto that. So let's get to it. Look at this thing. It actually turned out really, really nice. That'll look really good in the car. I can feel really good about how it was assembled. Everything went in nicely. It turns over nicely. So yeah, we can be pretty proud of this thing. If anybody's got any questions about it, anything they see, throw it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. But yeah, we need a couple of things still. We still need a throttle body gasket, spark plugs. I need to grab the alternator belt, and we need to get the bracket for the intake that goes down to the block and braces it. We need an oil filter, and obviously to get the turbo on there. And then once the turbo's on, I need to build that AN line from the turbo down to the oil pan. But yeah, everything looks really good. The RDX injectors are in there nicely, nice and tight. Everything's good. We need some caps for the intake manifold. We got to cap those two lines off. Other than that, I think we're good to go. The goal is to have this thing in the car either tomorrow or Sunday. That way we can be fiddling around with it on Monday. Hopefully have it loaded on Tuesday. That way Wednesday we can kind of work on our own things. Like I got to get the camper ready, get food, just kind of get that kind of stuff going, my clothes. So this thing being in the state that it's in right now is really good. That's a good position to be in currently. So with that being said, we're going to end it there. I think the next video should be me going to get the car from Dino. So that should be exciting to see. And from there, I think we're just kind of be putting the car back together. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll see you all tomorrow.